And that case is about reverse discrimination and whether or not they start eliminating the barriers for reverse discrimination cases, making it easier to sue.
That case was valued by 3 lawyers at $15,000. And during that year and a half, there was a number of trials that came down the pipe from lawyers in the firm that didn't want to try the cases. So they were basically giving me cases to try that were unwinnable cases. And I had no experience. In fact, the first time I ever went to courtroom, I wasn't even sure what side to sit on. Like I sat on the side that was farthest from the jury, which is not where I'm supposed to sit, because as a plaintiff, you sit closest to the jury. I didn't have the mentorship. I was literally thrust into this. And I lost 6 cases in a row, okay? The 7th case, after my partner and I left, and we had been in business for about, 6 months, was a case involving a little old lady on her way to Huntsville, Alabama, on a Greyhound bus. She was getting off the bus. There was a platform step that was placed out, and it wasn't steady. She could hear it click, 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 click as people were getting off the bus. When she got off the bus, it flipped over and she broke her foot. That case was valued by 3 lawyers at $15,000.
$15,000.
Yeah, broken foot, casted. She was in 6 weeks, good as new. They were like, this case is worth $15,000 every day. Well, that person, that client of mine, Louise Miller, I'll never forget her, she thought her case was worth $1 million. When the judge asked her, why do you believe it's worth $1 million? She said, because God is on my side. And the judge said to her in chambers, ma'am, I've been sitting on this bench for 35 years and I've never had God as one of my jurors. So in any event, I tried that case, and the jury awarded us $485,000. And that was it. Like, that was the watershed moment that I was like, oh, I can do this. When I have a case that is a legitimate case,